Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with another Destash. I am doing a giant cleanup and reorganization of my craft room. I'm having a hard time really enjoying myself crafting because everything is just such a mess, hard to find, and so I'm doing a big clean out. And considering all the stuff I've gotten rid of, I still have so much stuff I can't even tell you. So this is boxes 10, 11, and 12. An update on my other boxes. In round 1, I have box 4 available. Everything else has been claimed and paid for. So it's pretty basic. US address. You need to pay through PayPal. Email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Let me know what box you want, and I'll let you know if it's available. And if you could pay right away, that'd be great. Or let me know if there's a delay in when you plan on paying. Okay, so I'm in the middle of doing my 6x6 paper pads, which this isn't, and I'm going through everything. So there's going to be all kinds of eclectic things available. But let me go ahead and get started. If you're a big fan of Kathy Orta, you know, and even if you like, if you're somebody who likes hardware, I have hardware from, I think, 3 of her kits. Now, this hardware altogether is probably close to $150 that I paid for. I'm selling all my boxes today for $35. So this is a $35 box, and you're getting $150 worth of hardware easily. I've never used it. I barely have even opened it up. This one right here, I paid, I had found the receipt. It was in the box. $41 was shipping for this kit alone. This one went to the makeup storage case hardware, but obviously you could use it for other things. There's just a ton of stuff in there. This one right here is the retro hardware kit. Still packaged, still sealed. Have not used any of that. All kinds of stuff in there. Whatever trinkets and hardware came with that kit is here. There's also trinkets, I think, for this kit. I see like a little clock. So there's that. And then in this one is, I believe, her purse or her handbag. It's all metal. So all the doohickeys to make her purse or her handbag, one of her handbags. She's got a bunch. I think this would work for most of the handbags that she has. So this one is box number 10, and it is $35. Okay? All right, moving on to box number 11. Get my number straight. Box number 11 is a ribbon box. So there is a ton of ribbon in here. This is actually the second time that I've had to film this, so it's just the ribbon is a pain. I'll be honest with you. It's a pain to get out and put back in again. So in this box, you're getting a ton of ribbon. You're getting, I don't know, a lot of ribbon. And I just don't even know where to begin with this ribbon. Okay, so let me try and get some of it out so I can show you. Something went flying. Okay. All right, so I'm going to leave some of the stuff in the box and just show you and put it back in the box, because otherwise, maybe I won't, because I've got spools in here as well. I was trying to show you as much as I can of what's in here. I might miss a couple of things that are in here because there's a lot. Okay, so I have a full roll of this olive grosgrain striped ribbon. It's 1 1/4 from Stampin' Up. I have this, what is it? Some kind of yellow ribbon from Paper Tray Ink. I think it's like Lemon Tart or something like that. Lemon Tart ribbon right there. I have this floral and this mint dot one. I have this checked and this other one right here. I have this close to my heart ribbon that's never been used. I have these ribbons on spools. These 2 on spools. Okay, now let me show you some of the packaged ribbon that we have. Okay, so I've got this ribbon, American Traditional Designs, that ribbon. This one is Heidi Swap, Maya Road. I mean, some of it I might have used, some of it, but a lot of this ribbon has never been used. Bo Bunny. This one right here. Heidi Grace. Bo Bunny. Imaginus. Bo Bunny. Making Memories. This one. And let's see, this one right here, this dotted ribbon. I love this black dot one. Then I see it, I'm like, oh, maybe I should keep that black dot, but no. Black dot I really like though. Pink. This brown. I've got this ribbon, which I love. Actually, I have quite a bit of that. It's red and white. This ribbon. A lot of this ribbon is, I forget the name of the company, but I've got some expensive ribbon in here. Just collected ribbon. I never really used it. Just get an idea of everything that is in here for $35. I mean, it's hard to collect ribbon of all these different colors and sizes and styles. It's expensive. Maya Road. Okay, so just a bunch of ribbon. Brick Rack. This white ribbon. Canvas. Okay, so this is box number 11, and it is $35. Okay, and box number 12. I'm going to take everything out and put it back in for this one. So this is box number 12 that is coming up right now. And this is also $35 shipped. Okay. All right, the first thing I want to show you is this metal case that I have most of the pieces to. It's Making Memories, which they don't make anymore, and it's a toolkit. So it's got pliers, it's got a hammer, eyelet setter, it's got this pokey tool, which is worth its weight in gold, and even some needles. The pokey tool itself is worth it. So it's that. And then we've got these pumpkins, we've got some clips, we've got some tags, some clips. There's a lot of October afternoon in here. There's a ton of little cards in here, vintagey cards, some bling, some bows, some Halloween stickers, some Bo Bunny, noteworthy. This I really debated keeping because I really liked this chipboard butterfly. It's this ephemera kit. I'm just busy. I'm not going to get around to making it. So sequins, art tiles. I used 2 of these. Some more clips. I've got these. I'll get these in here. These are these domes you can use to do snow globes and that sort of thing. These are like little flag things. Heidi Swap butterflies. Bella Boulevard Halloween. A couple little pieces from a kit that I had from Paper Tray Ink. Midway Miscellany. You get all kinds of pieces in that. Some Christmas stickers. Some Tim Holtz ribbons. They're called little flyers. That's what they're called. This one, which is Sidewalks little flyers. There's some recipe cards. There are this sarsaparilla Miscellany from October Afternoon. 5 and Dime Rub-Ons from October Afternoon. Some more of these little flyers. I used 2 of those ones. I've got this London Market Ephemera. Oops. My Mind's Eye Hello Gorgeous. Creative Imaginations. These are Brad's. These are these keys from Maya Road. Some bows. Metal clips. Some tags. Cosmo Cricut Evangeline Element Deck. And some more Queen and Company clip-ups. So this box right here is $35 shipped. This is box number 12. I would say that I have at least 2 more boxes. I'm going to say I'm going for 4 more boxes. So we'll see how I do. I mean, I need to be more aggressive in getting rid of things. So anyway, that is my destash for this evening anyway, because it's really late. It's 11 o'clock at night. So that's boxes 10, 11, 12. Go ahead and email me at scoop71@yahoo.com and let me know what you want. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane with Heart.